Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's tutorial, we're going to be going in with my square extra short soft gel full nail covers. As always, these are available for purchase on my Etsy shop and the link will be down below in the description. But all I'm doing now is going in and sizing them out and making sure that they fit my nail wall to wall. Full nail covers are perfect for you if you have problems shaping like I do. They give you the perfect shape every single time, and they also help eliminate and make the time of doing your nails a lot shorter. So if you never tried them before, I definitely recommend giving them a try. So for today's video, we're going to be using Model 1's Polygel, and this one I believe was in the shade light pink. I can't really, or it might be soft pink, light or soft pink. I got this in a kit off of Amazon with a whole bunch of pretty neutral pinks and nude brown colors, so I'll be sure to leave that down below if that's your speed. But all I'm doing is going in and doing the same method I always do, just applying a bead small size amount of polygel to my full nail cover and just making sure that the cuticle part is thinner than the rest of the nail. For my slip solution, I'm using just regular alcohol. I believe this one I'm using is 70% alcohol, and just this polygel brush that is from MAKARRT. This method is super easy. If this is your first time ever doing polygel in a soft gel full nail cover, it's kind of trial and error. You kind of figure out the right amount that you should have in every single full nail cover when you start doing it more. So if this is your first time doing it and you're getting a lot of polygel hanging around the sides, don't fear. Just keep on giving it a try and I promise you'll get the hang of it. I've been doing polygel nails for a while now, and as you can see, I still sometimes get polygel that oozes out on the sides of my nails. You just want to make sure that you're going in with that brush and you want to get it saturated and just remove the excess polygel before you cure, because if you do it after you cure, you're just going to have a lot of filing and it's not going to look as good. It's going to look choppy, so you just want to make sure that you get them beforehand, before curing. This method is super easy. Like I said, you'll get the hang of the perfect amount you should be putting in each of your soft gel full nail covers, but I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply my tips. So here's what they're looking like. As I said before, shaping is super easy with these soft gel full nail covers because they honestly do all the shaping for you. So I'm just going in with an 80/80 grit hand file that I purchased from Amazon. I got this in a 50 pack for like $7. It was an insane deal, and I definitely recommend them. I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if the deal will still be available, but I'll be sure to link these down below. But yeah, I'm just going in and just doing some cleanup, just getting some polygel that I may have missed, and just really making sure that the tips of my nails are square. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol again and just wiping down my nails before we begin our design. And for our design, I'm going to be using this glitter silver gel polish by Beetles. And I'm going in with this resin nail art palette. This is purchased off of Shein, but you can get these anywhere. And I'm just applying that to the palette and this Shein nail art brush. There's so many different ways that you can do this method. I'm going in with a line art brush and I'm just manually doing the line. But if you've ever seen people do like French tip lines with that like rubber that rubber stamper type of method, you could also do that. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, then forget it, but it's kind of like a rubber stamp, and then they just put the polish on it, and then they kind of just like stamp it on the ends of their nails, and it gives you like the perfect French tip. That would probably be an easier method, but I'm just going in and, you know, freeballing it, freehanding it and just doing it with a line art brush. And then I'm going to clean it up as well with that same polygel brush that I used to apply my soft gel full nail covers. But yeah, it's super easy. There's so many different ways you can go about it. If you don't have that rubber stamp, you could even honestly just use your finger and just put polish on your finger and just like press it onto your fingertips to make the perfect line. So there's so many different methods you can use, but I'm just showing you what I'm doing today. Alrighty, so after I finish cleaning that up, I'm going to go ahead and cure. And then for my top coat, I'm going to be using the OPI top coat. And the last and final step, my favorite, cuticle oil. For today, we're going to be using the scent Lavender. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop. So here's the final look. Super obsessed. It's a super easy and simple nail design. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday and a happy new year, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.